According to FreeSA, a nonpartisan policy advocacy group, South Africans have lost 520.6 billion rand.
Listen properly.
To bailouts for state owned enterprises since 2008. That's over 8,600 Rand per person in this country. And instead of value, we got load shedding, grounded planes, and arms factories that can't arm anything but their CEOs' wallets. So let's take a moment to mourn what could have been. According to FreeSA, for that 520.6 billion Rand, we should have had over 8,600 new schools, 2.6 million homes, and a police force 3 times larger than what we currently have. And instead, we got Eskom, which is like buying a Ferrari and then being told that the engine runs on tears and hope.